husband mirrors my shadow and my light. So all the beauty I feel I've seen in myself, I see reflected back from him, and also all the shadows. So, your partner will probably be the person you love, will be the person who triggers you the most. And we're doing this work together where we're seeing the depths of our shadow. But in another way, our relationship is actually quite harmonious and peaceful, unlike what you normally hear about twin flames. And the mirroring happened in a more magical way where anytime I was realizing something or shifting through a fear or healing a part of myself, he would be going through the same aha or the same healing, the same shift in his own way. Through his own life experience, but we would be mirroring and able to share the depths of what we're going through. And it's like, yeah, me too. I just realized that too. Or yeah, that's coming up for me too. And it felt like just a dance between both of us. And it was so magical to keep realizing that, he's shown me I'm not separate from anyone. He is me. And he is my closest mirror in this life to show me that, but it's really shown me to break down all the illusions of separation between everyone. And we also mirror each other in the weirdest ways, where 2 weeks before our wedding, I pulled my back muscle on the left side, and 3 days later, he pulled his without doing anything. We both had the same injury in the same part of our backs for 2 weeks, and we both had to, and it wasn't, of course, it's not just physical. There's always some deeper energetics, and we had fears moving into this new initiation of marriage, not fears about each other, but more so this fear or sadness of letting go of an old identity or walking through a new rite of passage. For me, it was from maidenhood into becoming a wife. I don't know. I had lots of different fears and sadness and grieving around leaving my last name behind and my identity. And that was mirrored through the pain in the back. So, and when I healed it, he healed his. So we're being shown over and over again, there's no separation. When I was pregnant, he felt nauseous right when I was feeling nauseous. We would feel the same thing. And again, it shows us there's no separation. And we're noticing the same with our beautiful son, who's 9 months old.
Wow. Okay. So you're actually seeing even the physical symptoms of mirroring. That's beautiful.
It's not beautiful when it's nausea.
I know,
but
I know.
yes.
It's beautiful as in it's because people often ask that, okay, what are the practical ways? We've heard it so often, but what is it? How does it practically happen? And I'm not saying it's beautiful from the way that, okay, you both had pain and not from that perspective, but yeah.
I know.
And you have you have followed the path of this divine union in a more conventional way of going through the institution of marriage. What is your understanding? How does divine union look like in the New Earth consciousness?
Yeah, I don't believe it has anything to do with a piece of paper or marriage. It doesn't have to. And for us, we really made our union ceremony about the union of our own selves with our own light, our own souls, and choosing to step into and honor the union with each other as a very conscious rite of passage for both of us. And it wasn't even just about the two of us uniting. We included in our vows and what we shared our commitments or honoring to our future children. So we called in the spirit babies, the souls of our future children within our marriage ceremony, which was so powerful, and it brought tears to my eyes. We also extended that love, that bubble, that frequency we were anchoring to our extended family and our community. And it was really a day about how we are going to honor the love we share and also ripple that out into everything we create and do and everyone in our lives and the world. It was truly, a New Earth ceremony, it felt like. But on the new earth, I really feel it's going to be this very conscious and heart-opening, unconditional love vibration that brings people together, and not just in relationship, but friendships are going to be upgraded. How we view our family is going to be upgraded. How we come together in communities is going to be upgraded. And one way, I could say many different aspects of this is, but one way is right now in the world, relationships are still very conditional. They're very transactional. I do this for you, and then you do this for me, or you hurt me, and so now I'm going to hold on to this resentment, or, there's a lot of ego and victimhood and finger pointing and judgment. But when we're really embodying our light and stepping into this frequency of the new earth, we're all going to be more in our hearts. And it's not about attaching to even people or needing things to be a certain way, or about, give or take and transactions. It's really about sharing this love that you are, and you're going to feel it. It's going to feel so blissful to be there that it naturally, I feel, will ripple out of you, and it will be this ripple effect, and you'll see it mirrored back to you from your whole community, your friendships, your reality.